In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to transfer your data from app themes into PremiumPress themes. In this example, we are going to transfer data from the Clipper theme into the PremiumPress coupon theme. Start by uploading the correct PremiumPress theme you want to use so that it's visible in the WordPress Appearances tab. Now we activate the PremiumPress theme and complete the theme installation. Now our PremiumPress theme is installed. We need to install the App Themes Transfer plugin. You can download this from the PremiumPress website. Once you activate the plugin, you will see the App Themes logo on the left menu. Now all you need to do is verify the display numbers are correct, and then click Update Database. You can now disable the plugin as you do not need it anymore. If you found this video useful, please let us know by liking and subscribing so we can keep making new videos for you. Thank you.